Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. You could see Uguti umamncane umamkhulu, whatever this woman is to Unandi, but this Nandi is close is up to something, right? Ugirl ke ahambe ayeka Rebecca bayenze lo msebenzi omele uyenziwe. Now here is where the problem started. Imbuzi was supposed to be slaughtered, right? And then but Usolomzi must slaughter the Mbuzi. Solomzi was like, no, but the person that ended up slaughtering the Mbuzi was the Sangoma that they came with, or the witch doctor, or the medical doctor, traditional doctor, whichever term you would prefer, right? All right, chap, no problem. Figure yani traditional doctor itienza umsebenzi imbuzi ngakhahli. And this woman was like, nope, it's unlike imbuzi. If it was imvu, I would understand. But a goat must meh. It must not keep quiet. If a goat keeps quiet, then there's something fishy. Now, this something fishy, it's all about the child. Remember, the child does not belong to Unandi. The child wakasomisi. Hayi sithi into eyincane vele abuza abatshela ukuthi you guys have secrets in this yard, and these secrets will come out because these secrets are the ones that are making this imbuzi not to react. But yeah, they continued to do umsebenzi nonetheless. Now the question that I have, or that I'm asking myself, what's going to happen eventually when the truth come out? Like which direction? Because I'm interested only in that part, the truth coming out. Matsidiso no Malume, they're still fighting over this guy that is helping over Umatsidiso. Umatsidiso then suggests to go to this guy because umsebenzi wakhe umunengi, let the guy sleep over. Umalume was like livid to go to, you cannot utter those words. This person cannot sleep here. This person is walala pet. In remember, Matsidiso lives in an RDP, which is a 2-room house, basically a bedroom and a kitchen or dining room or chilling space. So uyolala phi lo guy. Ayike kube indaba kaBanzi noChuma, they are at their best. Like, they are so close. And now at this point, Ubanzi ulungisa amalobolo and wants uChuma to be the one marrying him to uNelly. Like, finally, this thing is happening. But while I thought finally this thing is happening, ungene this guy who's Ulanga, who is fighting with uChuma, right? Because uChuma umtshontshela imali. Makafika badiscussela indaba yemali, they end up saying hurtful words to each other, and Ulanga took a pillow. I don't know if this pillow will be on top of Ugai. What's going to happen? At this point, we are worried. I am worried. I'm like, I wonder kuzoyenzakalani. But ke lokho kuzoyenzakala thina okwethu ukuthi sizobheka sibukele, and then we take it from there. Now, with that said, umama lo obhizi noMareza, you can see ukuthi she's up to something, right? Question yami engizibuza yona ile ukuthi, will she find whatever she is looking for to derail or to expose uMareza? Will she be the one that sees ukuthi lo mntwana in actual fact umntwana wakabani? Let us keep tuned and tell me what you think about tonight's episode. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, watch our previous videos to catch up with the storylines.